Are you suffering from tinnitus and desperately looking for a way to stop the ringing in your ears? Well, I've been there, I understand you, and I can help you if you say yes to these 3 checks. 1. You recently got tinnitus. 2. You feel stressed out, anxious, you give trouble sleeping or concentrating, and you feel tinnitus is taking over your life. And 3. You're desperately searching for solutions, but nothing seems to work. If that's you, then listen up. Using a scientifically proven method, which I'll tell you about more later, I reduced my own tinnitus from a 9 to a 1 out of 10, and I even have days when it's completely silent. But when I first got tinnitus, I went through the most difficult time of my life. I spent 6 months trying out anything I could find, just like you might be doing right now. I was pulling my ears and I was tapping my head with a spoon which should stop my tinnitus. I ordered ginkgo biloba pills on Amazon. I listened to cricket sounds all day on my headphones. I tried not to pay attention to my tinnitus and I got angry at myself every time I did. It all didn't work. The more I tried to get rid of the sound, the louder my tinnitus became. And at some point I couldn't even sleep. I would wake up with nightmares with my tinnitus 10 times louder. Until one day I couldn't take it anymore and I said to myself, come on, you're a biomedical engineer, you should be able to fix this. So I spent months studying scientific papers and books from tinnitus experts all around the world. I took various courses and I discovered 4 promising therapies. I combined them into one method and I tried this method out on myself. My method worked. Step by step, my tinnitus started to calm down. And now I even have days when it's completely silent, and when I do hear my tinnitus, it just simply doesn't bother me anymore. And if that's something you want as well, then I invite you to watch my free 40-minute tinnitus masterclass by clicking on the link on or below this video. And I'll show you my scientifically proven 5-step method based on 6 years of tinnitus research and helping over 1,000 people so far. And if you don't believe me, here's an independent publication by doctors that shows that 91% of people with acute tinnitus significantly reduce their tinnitus complaints using my method. So click the link and I'll help you get your life back from tinnitus, because there actually is something you can do. I look forward to helping you.